Hi everyone, this is section 2.3, axis of symmetry and integrated to KC7. Okay, the axis of symmetry divides the graph or the parabola, that's the shape of my quadratic graph, in half. It divides it into two equal pieces, so it goes through the vertex. And the equation of that line is x equal to whatever number it crosses on the x-axis or your x-coordinate of your vertex. Okay. Now on a graph, I want to find the axis of symmetry given this graph. Okay, so if you can see from my first example, I have a parabola going up and my vertex is to -3. So my x value would be my axis of symmetry, so x is equal to 2 is my answer. Okay, same thing for my parabola that's going down. This is a negative graph. My vertex is at 0, 7, so my x-coordinate would be 0. So my equation is x equal to 0. That's it. That's your axis of symmetry given a graph. Now you can also find it given 2 points. These 2 points can be x-intercepts or any two symmetrical points. Okay, they have to be the same y-coordinate. And what you want to do here is that you are trying to find the distance between those x-coordinates. Okay, to find the distance, given these 2 points, we're going to divide or add and then divide by 2. Okay, again, like I said, you want your y-coordinates to be the same. Which now means that these x-coordinates can be added and divided by 2 to find the distance. So 1 plus 9 divided by 2, which is 10 divided by 2, which is just 5. So my x value, or my x-coordinate, is equal to 5, which is my axis of symmetry. Okay, so go ahead and pause and go ahead and try to do B. Okay, so in B you're given 0 are your y-coordinates, so I'm going to add these two values to find x, my axis of symmetry. So -3 plus 7 divided by 2. -3 plus 7 will give you 4 divided by 2. I have x is equal to 2 as my final answer. Now sometimes you're going to be given a function and then you have to find the axis of symmetry. Okay, so when you are given a function, you can graph the equation using Desmos. Okay, you can graph it and then find out what your vertex is. Okay, so I'm going to go to Desmos. Let's go back to Desmos. And I'm going to type in my equation. What was it? 2x squared plus 3. Okay, so 2x squared plus 3. Okay, so here's my function. My vertex is at 0, 3. So since my vertex is at 0, 3, my x-coordinate would be my axis of symmetry. So my x value is 0, and I'm done. Same thing for B. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and plug this into Desmos. Again, you only have to plug in the right side of this. So I'm going to go to Desmos. I'm going to erase this one, and I have x minus 1 times x minus 5. Oops. So here's my function, and my vertex is at 3, -4. So again, my axis of symmetry would be this x equal to 3. And I'm done.